Make $22 an hour online from home. You want to hear more about this? Then stay with me throughout this video. What's up, guys? Zeb here. Today we're going to be talking about a work from home online job that pays you up to $22 an hour. Now, this job is a work from home job that requires a bachelor's degree. So it's perfect for the stay-at-home mom or the person that is in between jobs or has a bachelor's degree that hasn't found a job yet and wants to just work from home. All right. Now, guys, if you don't have a bachelor's degree, you may not want to stay with me throughout this video because you do need a bachelor's degree for this job. It's very easy to get, but you do need a degree. All right. Now, before we get started with this video, let me introduce myself to those that don't already know me. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now, guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and give me a thumbs up if you find that you got some value out of this video. Now, if you do have any comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see, and I will make that happen, all right? Now, if you do have any questions about this particular video, drop them down in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. Now, guys, if you are more interested in a passive income, one that will pay you while you're on vacation, while you're sitting on the couch, while you're sleeping, click the link in my description. My #1 recommended make money online method. Click that link and I'll send you over some information. All right, guys, let's get started with today's video. Today, we're going to be talking about a company called VIP Kid. Now, what is VIP Kid? It's a teaching job that you're teaching English to Chinese children online, your own hours, and you can make $22 an hour. All right. Now, you do need a bachelor's degree, like I said earlier. So if you don't have a bachelor's degree, you might not want to continue watching this video. Now, it is a very awesome job, very backed by lots of people. It's recommended. It's been featured in Forbes, Los Angeles Times, Bloomberg, Wall Street Journal, Huffington Post, Women's Day. So, guys, this is a legit company, and it's available in 35 countries. There's over 60,000 teachers and 500,000 students. So there's no shortage of students here. So it's very easy, okay? Who they are, they're a company linking people with an education background or it can teach English to Chinese children from the comfort of their home, all right? Their mission is to inspire and empower every child for the future, all right? So basically, they're trying to teach Chinese children English from an English-speaking person, okay? Instead of being taught English in their schools by a second language teacher, all right? So what you're doing is you're giving one-on-one full immersion language and content classes based on U.S. Common Core state standards. Now, you will be giving lesson plans. You don't have to grade. They give you all that stuff. You don't have to grade. All they do is provide you the lesson plan. You communicate it with the parents. And all you do is just provide a computer and passion skills for teaching. I don't even think you speak to the parents. You just sign up. The kid will be on the other side of the screen. It's you, and you're just teaching the lesson plan, okay? Now, you can work any hours that you want. You can set your own schedule. So, guys, it's very fun to have something like this if you're looking to work from home on your own hours, etc., etc. Now, guys, what you do need a laptop or a desktop that has a camera and a headset. If you don't have this stuff, you can get a headset for under $20 from like Walmart. You can get a camera if you don't already have one built into your laptop for probably under $20. All right, so just go get that stuff. Minimum requirements to get this done is very easy. It's i3 processor, 4 gigs of RAM. So you don't need nothing fancy for this. You just need to have a computer and a decent internet connection. All right, so what service does VIP Kid provide? It provides an international learning experience to children in China between ages 4 and 12, and it's headquartered in Beijing. The company offers fully immersive one-on-one English language instruction provided online by highly qualified teachers, okay? That's why you're required to have a bachelor's degree, because they don't want somebody not to have a bachelor's degree teaching the English language, okay? They just want to have legit people that have been educated, And that's the Chinese standard, okay? So to get started, you basically sign up. As long as you have a bachelor's degree, you're eligible. You just got to sign up. You go through a little short interview. They make sure that you are an English-speaking person. You do have a bachelor's degree. You sign up for a 6-month contract, and every 6 months you just renew that contract, all right? The interview process, okay, it happens through their portal, okay? So you just book your interview. On the day of the interview, you can enter the classroom 1 hour before the interview, test your equipment before it starts, so you can make sure all your stuff works before you get on to the interview, all right? You want to make sure you demo this beforehand, because if you don't, you may not pass the interview, all right? They do give you like what you are getting interviewed on, so you know this beforehand so you can actually make sure you're ready before the interview, okay? Becoming a teacher, and this is all on the frequently asked questions page. How many students do you teach? You're teaching a one-on-one. That's it. You're not teaching more than one person. You're teaching one-on-one. Every day you might have a new student, all right? Do you need to prepare teaching materials? And no, they provide you all your class curriculum every day, and you don't even have to grade it, all right? You just do what's on your plan, and that's it, okay? So they make it very easy for you. You get paid through bank draft, and you get paid once a month between the 10th and the 15th of your month, okay? So every month between 10th and 15th, they will pay you. Teachers will be reevaluated for a raise at the point of renewal. So every time you renew your contract, you could get more money, okay? So that's the VIP Kid. Now, they do have an affiliate program, so you can make money, an extra income, by bringing referrals to this company, okay? So each teacher that you bring in can get you $50 to $180 for a referral, okay? So if you have a friend or know somebody else that might be interested in this, you refer them, they'll pay you $50 to $180 per person you bring in. So that's another side income that you can earn from VIP Kid. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and do understand that I do talk about make money online, affiliate internet digital marketing. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell to be notified when I drop these videos, okay? Now guys, if you are more interested in that passive income, click that link down below. My #1 recommended make money online method. Click that link and I'll send you some more information. All right guys, peace out, and I will see you again tomorrow.